Subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon, to never miss a video from us. Hi, welcome to California Residential Building Inspector Exam Tutorial and Preparatory Guide. Let's see how you can start preparing for the exam. The California Residential Building Inspector Exam is for professionals with abilities to perform inspections of structures, for managing compliance with the various building codes and standards adopted by the jurisdiction. Moreover, the inspector should also have skills and knowledge to inspect 1- and 2-family dwellings, townhomes not more than 3 stories in height, and accessory structures. The exam topics are: 1. Code administration. 2. Building planning. 3. Footings and foundations. 4. Floor construction. 5. Wall construction and coverings. 6. Roof/ceiling construction. 7. Public safety and special construction. California Residential Building Inspector is an open book examination with the Code Year 2019 that consists of 50 multiple-choice questions. The time duration to complete the California Residential Building Inspector exam is 2 hours. This exam comes under the state-level certification, and this examination will cost you $219. ICC provides various exam rules and procedures. Some of them include: 1. Code of Ethics. ICC ensures the protection of the health, safety and welfare of the public by creating safe buildings and communities. 2. Renew certification online. If a candidate renews online, then certifications are renewed immediately. Moreover, they will find a new certification expiration date on My ICC account immediately after the online renewal application is processed. 3. Exam cancellation. The Code Council reserves the right for revoking or withholding any examination scores if, in its only opinion, there is adequate reason to question their validity. Let's see how you should plan your preparation for the exam. 1. Getting familiar with exam objectives. Exam objectives consist of topics divided into sections and subsections. This makes it easier for candidates to start preparing for the exam according to their preferred area. 2. ICC Learning Center. ICC Code Council provides a variety of training options for candidates to help them in earning continuing education units, learning units, and professional development hours. However, the Learning Center includes an online library, face-to-face, virtual, and web session courses starting from beginner to advanced topics. These topics cover concepts of building safety, fire, design and construction, safety, plumbing, mechanical, fuel gas, and leadership. 3. ICC Provider Program. The ICC Provider Program provides training opportunities that include various categories of ICC-approved education providers. However, the program recognizes ICC-approved educational programs as well as building construction materials, products, and methods. 4. Practice tests. You can take the practice tests at testpreptraining.com. For more such videos, subscribe to our channel.